Yeah, it's Luke here at the Monmouth farm. Just going to quickly show you how to make French toast. I'm up here at the farm on my own, so just excuse any dodgy camera angles, but here we go. So in here we've got the egg, milk, bit of sugar, bit of vanilla, tiny pinch of salt and some cinnamon. You can see how the cinnamon hasn't properly mixed in there. That's completely normal. It doesn't really get in there. But when you fry it, you'll find that the first couple of toasts you do will sort of get all the cinnamon. So if you want every piece of toast to be cinnamony, you might need to add a little bit more as you go through. Okay, so we got the pan on like medium high, I reckon, and put a little bit of oil in there. That's just like veggie oil, a bit of butter in the pan, and that gives it like the golden deliciousness. You'll know if your pan is the right temp if the butter fizzes. Looks pretty good to me. If it fizzes too much, it's probably too hot, so turn it down a little bit, but that looks good. And you can put a little bit of butter in each time you do your toast. Then, grab your toast, and you're going to dip it in the mix. The important bit here is don't leave it in the mix for too long so it goes all soggy. So you literally just drop it in, turn it over, pick it up, let it drip off a little bit, and then put it in the pan. That'll be there for maybe like 2 minutes, and then we'll flip it over and do a couple minutes on the other side. Right, that's been in there a couple of minutes now, so let's see how it's doing underneath. Oh yeah, looking really good there. See all that goldenness? That's the stuff that's going to taste real nice. That's what you want to try and get it to be like. Then do it about the same time on the other side, maybe a little bit less, a minute and a half. Kind of depends how hot your pan is. So just keep peeking at it, see how it's doing. And then you're ready to go really. On the farm up here, we put a bit of chopped up fruit on there often, some yogurt maybe, a bit of syrup. You can throw some nuts on there, some seeds, some raisins, anything you fancy really, just get creative. And that is pretty much how you make French toast. And look at this. Look at this view. With a rainbow.